actually we should know how the tables can be created and how the Text Studio will help you to create the table. Simple table we will create. I will show you, and then you can go on adding into that one. Okay, let's say our interest is to create the serial number, one listing, serial number, name and the marks. We want to create one listing related to the class students, say the serial number, name of the students or the name and the marks, and say the 3 by 3 table. Only the 2 students, let's say we have. So the 3 by 3 table we will create with the help of the LaTeX. I will show you. So once again you require the LaTeX template. This template is available into that new folder called the 4 table. So open that folder and LaTeX template you can open with the Text Studio. Okay. Once again we will use this portion to create the table. Now you have the wizard here, this facility, quick tabular. Okay, this facility is available to create the table, but it will give you the tabular output. Tabular output means the commands are related to tabular. At the same time, you should also know that the table is the floating environment, floating body. Always we are discussing that figure, mathematical equation, table, these are the floating bodies. So we have to create the environment for the table also. We have to create the environment for the table also. So cancel this for the time being. I showed you about that. Now the LaTeX environment, go to the LaTeX environment and the begin table. Yes. So the begin table, end table. You got this one. Once again you are interested that table should be at the center. So what you will do? We did it the same thing for the graphics also. Environment, center, done. Now what you have observed? Begin table, end table, begin center, end center, and the caption, everything is there. Now within here we will add our entries. Go to the wizard, quick tabular, make the 3 column 3 rows, 3 column 3 rows. Here you can put the serial number. I will give you the time to practice it. Just observe here, serial number, then you can put the 1, then second serial number, then name, you can put the name, so this graphic, then the marks. This graphical user interface will help you to create the table. Aniket, name of the student, say the Aniket, and got the, let's say the 100 mark, 100 out of 100. Then my daughter Sahita, she also got the 100 marks. Say, oh, 1000. Okay, say the, let's say, okay. Now, what you will observe? Say the tabular environment is created. Say the begin tabular, end tabular, you got it. We have the 3 columns, that's why here C, 3 columns. For each column C is written. C means at the center. That can be cleared later. But each C represents the one column. Okay. Then this vertical lines indicates that in the table we want the vertical lines. H line indicates the horizontal lines. This 2 times backslash indicate it should go to the new line. So there is no need to think about it in more detail and at this time, just to give you the idea how this thing can be created, that I showed you. What you did, once again quickly we will revise it. Begin table, end table. This is required for the environment creation. Then begin center, end center to put all the entries at the center of the page. And the tabular environment, tabular wizard is available with you. So 3 rows, 3 columns. Run this and observe the output. So at the output you will observe that the 3 rows and 3 columns table is created. Okay, you can open it externally, magnify it, very good. Say 3 rows, 3 columns, vertical lines, horizontal lines and table. Now the caption we forgot, caption was not given. Once again we will close this and put some caption marks like this and run it. Okay, you got the caption. Yes.